Introducing the electric stacker, your ultimate solution for efficient material handling. Ergonomically designed hand grips provide comfort during operation. Directional thumb grips allow for seamless control in both forward and reverse directions, enhancing maneuverability. Accessing lift and lower buttons is a breeze, ensuring smooth operation at your fingertips. Adjust the speed with the convenient speed control button, offering both rabbit and turtle modes. With a tight turning radius of 53 inches, navigate narrow aisles and tight spaces effortlessly. It lifts up to an impressive 1,500 kilograms, ensuring you can handle heavy loads with ease. With a lifting height of 137 inches, it reaches where others can't, maximizing your warehouse space. Featuring a keyed ignition for added security, giving you peace of mind in busy environments. Tailor the stacker to your needs with adjustable base legs, ensuring stability on various surfaces. No installation required for the battery charger. Simply plug into any 110V outlet for hassle-free charging. Monitor battery status effortlessly with the 4-color LED battery meter. Additionally, every electric stacker comes with a unique serial number for easy identification and tracking. Emergency reversing device button is strategically placed for quick access, ensuring swift reversal in urgent situations. Every stacker features a built-in horn. For added safety, an emergency stop button is conveniently located on the top of the stacker. Experience efficiency like never before with the electric stacker, the perfect companion for your warehouse needs.